Lungs accommodate amount of blood which is equal to the amount of blood accommodated by all other parts of the body. Yes, it is about 5 liters per minute. The blood volume of the lungs is about 450 milliliter, about 9% of the total blood volume of entire circulatory system. Approximately 70 milliliters of this pulmonary blood volume is in the pulmonary capillaries, and the remainder is divided about equally between the pulmonary arteries and the veins. Moreover, the entire pulmonary vascular system is a low-pressure bed. Now you will ask how? Because the pulmonary blood vessels are more distensible than systemic blood vessels. So the blood pressure is less in the pulmonary blood vessels. If you look at the pulmonary arterial pressure, systolic pressure is 25 mmHg, diastolic pressure is 10 mmHg, and mean arterial pressure is 15 mmHg. Pulmonary capillary pressure is about 7 mmHg. And it is enough to allow the gaseous exchange taking place in the alveoli. Alveolar pressure causes greater reduction in flow at low pulmonary artery pressure than it does at high pressure. Simply, we can say that blood flow is higher in the lungs with lower blood pressure. Now, under various physiological and pathological conditions, the quantity of the blood in the lungs can vary from as little as 1/2 normal up to twice normal. For instance, when a person blows out air so hard that high pressure is built up in the lung, as much as 250 milliliter of the blood can be expelled from the pulmonary circulatory system into the systemic circulation. Also, loss of blood from the systemic circulation by hemorrhage can be partially compensated for by the automatic shift of the blood from the lungs into the systemic circulation. Cardiac diseases like edema, etc., like aforementioned, also shift blood from the systemic circulation to the pulmonary circulation. Let's move to the next section to learn how this blood flow is regulated.